Tick-tock baking time. 80 minutes sequencing patience. Tick-tock, don't peek, good things take time to bake. Story introduction. One sunny afternoon, best friends Precious and Noah visited Grandma's kitchen. Today, Grandma said with a wink, we're baking time cookies. Time cookies. Noah asked, yes, Grandma smiled, to bake something delicious you must learn the magic of time. Just then, the kitchen clock went tick-tock, tick-tock, and the time and baking song began. Flour in, sugar too, crack an egg, now what do we do? Mix it slow, stir around, time to spread the batter down. Oven ready, nice and warm, set the timer, here's the norm. Tick-tock, tick-tock, watch the clock, good things happen when we stop. Wait a little, don't you peek, yummy treats take time to bake. Story moment, Grandma set the timer, 10 minutes. Precious asked, is it ready yet? Noah leaned closer to the oven. Grandma laughed, if you rush the time, the cookies won't grow. So they decided to learn about time while they waited. 1 minute, 2 minutes, count along. Waiting helps us stay strong. 3 and 4, halfway there. Patience shows how much we care. Tick-tock, tick-tock, hear it say, time is helping us today. Slow and steady, wait and see, soon our cookies golden be. Waiting, fun adventure, while the timer counted down. They danced for 1 minute, cleaned the table for 2 minutes, told a quick story for 3 minutes. Guess when the timer would ring, Precious giggled. Waiting isn't boring, it's time for fun. Time helps cakes rise tall and high, helps bread grow, oh my, oh my. If we hurry, they won't bake. Time's the secret treats all take. The big moment, ding! The timer rang! Grandma opened the oven, warm golden cookies filled the air with the sweet smell. Noah cheered, time did the magic. Tick-tock, tick-tock, now we see, time made perfect treats for me. Wait, be patient, you'll agree, good things come with time and greed. Can't count the minutes, don't be late, time helps everything turn great. That day, Precious and Noah learned baking needs time. Waiting helps things turn out right. Minutes matter, patience is powerful. From then on, whenever they baked, they smiled and said, let time do the magic.